Hi, I'm Shelley from Frugal Family Home, and I wanted to share with you about my new homemaking planner. The planner has a little bit more than 60 pages, and it's designed to help you plan your day one sheet at a time. And so let's go to the computer so I can show you all the sheets that are included.
Okay, so here we are at the planner, and when you open up the planner for the first time, the PDF file, you'll see the title page and the copyright information, and then you'll get into information about a little bit about the planner and suggestions for how to set up your homemaking planner. There's the binder method and the bound method, and then we get into the actual planner covers and dividers. And there's 4 cover designs this year. Each one has a horizontal and a vertical, so you can decide which way you want to set up your planner. And so let's go through this first one here. So here's the cover, and this is the small dot confetti cover. That's the full frame. And then we have the dividers, and pretty similar dividers to last year if you own that one. And then we get into the horizontal designs, and the horizontal cover is just like this. And then again, all of the dividers for the horizontal. And then here's this the triangle confetti full frame design for the cover if you like this one. And this is in the vertical. And then we have the horizontal design too. And then we have the small dot confetti just at the top and the bottom of the page in vertical, and then in horizontal also. And finally, the last cover design is the triangle confetti at the top and the bottom of the vertical design, and then the horizontal design too. So you can choose what kind of cover you want and which orientation you want to make your planner in. And then each of the pages, as we'll go through these are the calendars. We have the vertical calendars, and I tried to keep the colors nice and pretty, but also not too much color to help conserve on ink, because it can be expensive to print things. And then we have the horizontal calendars. And then we get into the dockets, the daily and weekly dockets. And then we get a glance if you like to just have places to write down what you're doing for the day. Routines, morning and evening routine. And then we have the morning and evening routine with a little space for placing ideas for the rest of the week. And then we have the horizontal layouts of each of those. And then the weekly schedule in both orientations. Freezer, pantry, inventories, favorite meals, shopping lists with the section heads filled in and with them not filled out, and then the horizontal of those, monthly menu planning sheet, and the breakfast planning sheets, and lunch and dinner and snacks. And then we have the weekly meal plan in case you prefer to plan by the week, and I included a little grocery list area at the bottom. And then we have price books. And I did make a half-page price book just in case you prefer to use a half page instead of a full page on those. Bill trackers, savings tracker, monthly budget, our gift budget, Christmas budget, and weekly cleaning list too, monthly cleaning tasks, and seasonal cleaning tasks. And then we go into checklists for each section of the home if you like to have them all in one page. And then cleaning supplies inventory, weekly chore list, full house cleaning checklist, and weekly cleaning checklist. And then there's a weekly chore chart with cleaning tasks and a cleaning schedule and a chore chart for the kids. To to-do list in a vertical form, horizontal form, and a half-page form, a journal page for a full page in vertical and horizontal, and then a half page, and priorities for the day, and family preference cheat sheet so you know what everyone likes, and then a family medical information sheet in both vertical and horizontal, medical trackers, password trackers, safety deposit sheet, and then we get into the goals. We have goals for the week in both formats, goals for the month in both formats, and long-term goals in both formats. Birthday reminders, holiday menu plan, Christmas card list, and special dates. And then contacts, so you can have an address book if you wish. Emergency contacts, forms, utility providers, and an important documents list. And that finishes out the planner. And the planner that you can customize or edit is the same sheets, just with areas you can edit.
Those are all the sheets that are included in my homemaking planner. If you'd like to purchase it, you can come over to my blog at frugalfamilyhome.com or follow the link in the description below if you're at YouTube. And thanks for joining me.